In the vast and diverse fields of India, farmers work tirelessly to cultivate the food that nourishes our nation. Yet, many of these small and medium-sized farmers face daunting challenges: limited market access, inadequate infrastruccture, and insufficient financial support. To overcome these hurdles, farmer producer organizations, or FPOs, were established. FPOs unite farmers, allowing them to pool resources, share knowledge, and negotiate better prices. Together, they transform individual struggles into collective strength. Despite their potential, FPOs often face their own set of challenges. Limited access to broader markets, lack of essential infrastructure, and difficulties in securing finance are just a few obstacles that can impede their success. Enter ICART. Understanding the critical role FPOs play, ICART offers holistic solutions to empower these organizations and help them flourish. We link FPOs with manufacturers, millers, processors, distributors, and exporters. This not only expands their market presence but also boosts their revenue. Our connections with institutional buyers ensure that farmers receive premium prices for their produce. Access to quality inputs is crucial for any farmer. ICART facilitates this by providing FPOs with cost-effective seeds, fertilizers, and farm machinery through our network of trusted manufacturers. This support enhances profitability and fosters rural prosperity. Financial stability is the backbone of any successful operation. ICART offers trade credit and supply chain finance, ensuring that FPOs have the working capital necessary to grow and thrive. In today's digital age, technology is a powerful enabler. ICART offers iKrishi solutions to farmer-producer organizations. iKrishi, a name every farmer-producer organization will resonate with, a digital power tool designed for managing their daily operations and overall business success. Benefits for FPOs: market linkage, fair price at farm gate, trade credit for inputs, decision-making with real-time insights, track mandi prices, easy finance options, track your produce and expenditure, track your contract farming for better profits, manage and onboard your farmers, access to credit and other benefit schemes. Knowledge is power. Through our Arise Foundation, we conduct training programs focused on quality control of agricultural commodities. By understanding standard quality parameters for crops like maize, wheat, soybean, and many different commodities, FPOs can secure better prices for their produce. With over 380 FPOs onboarded, ICART is empowering more than 200,000 farmers, enhancing their livelihoods and driving rural prosperity. We have created many impact stories by empowering FPOs and their farmer members. ICART, empowering businesses and enriching communities. Together, we are transforming food and agri value chain, one step at a time.